You've just purchased Mega Hot 1000, the hottest furnace in the known universe. Your Mega Hot 1000 has the heating power of 10 suns, comes with a lifetime warranty, and even makes hot chocolate and julienne fries. I'll bet you're ready to bask in her warmth right now. Then what are you waiting for? Pour in the fuel and fire her up. You do have fuel.
What a glorious day off from the Antarctic Corps. No pressures, no responsibilities, no fuel. Halt, civilian! You think you could just waltz over here and commandeer this fuel, do you? Well, you're wrong, son! The finders keepers laws do not apply in this territory. I have 1 day's R&R, and I have requisitioned this fuel for myself. Dismissed! What? You again? Say there. Short stuff. No, sudden moves. Well, this thing could... Halt in the name of the Antarctic Corps! Right there. That is one military-issue combustibles container, and I cannot allow its transfer to non-military personnel without Form 5674 and 127 stroke K. In triplicate. You're a snappy dresser, but you're not too government savvy, are you? Hasta till next time.
Outrank you.
Who could that be? Yes? Oh, a salesman. You're selling a satellite dish that'll get this soldier 500 channels?
Perhaps no creature has adapted better to this cold climate than the penguin. Every day, these noble, flightless birds must use their wits to survive.
Hey! It's you again! Ah! Not on my watch, penguin! What do you have to say for yourself now? Oh, right. You don't talk. Lucky I remembered to borrow the platoon cookbook. Let's see. 800 onions, 50 pounds of salt, half ton of flour. Turn off stove. Kiss the fish. Okay, stand on 1 foot, cover your eyes, and count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, gourmet cooking is hard. 9. I'll head it with you, big one. I'll take that. And you get off that machine. Now, Shorty! No more! Take the can! Take it! Take everything! I'm going back to camp, ending my leave. If I get any more rest and relaxation, it'll kill.
Welcome to Smedley's LonelyHeartsClub.com. Are you looking for that special snuggle bun to cuddle up to and keep you warm on cold Arctic nights? Then let me and my love computer find the perfect match for you. We have hundreds of eligible eager members. And my 100% patented compatibility program inside this here love computer is the only surefire way to find the perfect someone for you. This is what we in the computer business call a systems crash. Now you listen here, you little high-tech glitch. I feel a love bump coming for sure. I get your point. But I am the professional matchmaker and computer programmer hereabouts. Me and my love computer will determine who is right for you, little fella. Once you pay your $500 membership fee. I guess it's true what they say. Love waits for no man. Now, little fella, she may not be your perfect match, and you can't let your heart go getting involved in, well, matters of the heart. A cyber hi to you, Chilly Lily. Trust me. My love computer is working night and day to select the perfect match for you. But don't you worry your little heart, miss. Smedley, the love doctor, will not rest until he has found your soulmate. This is Smedley's LonelyHeartsClub.com. Logging off. And now it's time for you to take Smedley's patented compatibility test. Yup, me and my love computer had no trouble selecting the ideal match for you, little feller. According to my profile, she is warm to cuddle with, has a big heart, and a hearty appetite. Who is it? It's the mechanic of love from Smedley's LonelyHeartsClub.com, ma'am. Here with a dream date that is sure to create fireworks aplenty. Meet Amor. If you love something, let it go. And if it comes back and blows up in your face, it's a penguin, all right. As president of this here cyber match establishment, I will not rest until the perfect match has been matched. Me and my love computer have selected a new date for you, penguin. She loves deep sea diving, haute couture fashions, and is not afraid to express her deep ocean emotions.
La 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 la. Oh, come here, you adorable penguin, you. Come to Mama.
Yup, nothing like a satisfied love connection.
Hey, what are you?
Oh, come back, my little love muffin. You and your lousy dating service.
Love is like a rose, mostly thorny and full of owls. And that was definitely an owl. That does it. I've had enough of these two incompatibles trying to thwart me and my all-knowing love computer. For your own good, I'm gonna deprogram your internal love computer. There are hundreds of applicants you can choose from, and my compatibility computer says she is not the one for you. Your resistance is wearing down. Select the perfect date and Smedley, the love mechanic, will hook you up. Monitor 1, 7, 22, 9, 4. Hold on one puppy-loving minute. Huh?
You get, you little heartbreaker, you!
Come back here, you penguin-sized Romeo and Juliet.
Oh, now there's the kind of man who can comb the hair on my back any day. The love doctor's in, and I want the first appointment.
Well, I guess it's true what my mama always said after all. Don't even try to fight love, 'cause it'll beat you every time.
What a cold Christmas this turned out to be, especially in the Arctic regions. One thing's for sure, Santa's got it made in the shade this year. The jolly old elf's toy delivery route will take him around the world, including stops in warm spots like the Bahamas, Saint-Tropez, and Bora Bora. Guess we'd all like to ride along with him this Christmas.
Santa makes the list, but as head elf of this here workshop, it is my Christmas duty to check it twice. Naughty, naughty, nice. Why, looky here. Little Robbie gets a paddle ball. Eye-hand coordination never was my strong suit. The great thing about this toy is that it feels so good when you stop. I better get back to work if and I want to be Santa's exclusive ride-along helper this year. Now there, little fella. Santa's got a rule against peeking at presents before Christmas. Yup, I'm sorry, but you gotta make like you're under the mistletoe and kiss off. Huh? Ouch! I'm telling you for the last time, this here sack is not for peekers. I'm gonna send this penguin all the way to springtime. the holiday season is not the best time to take up running.
Oh, Smedley! Smedley! Smedley, where are you? Now, Smedley, there's no time to lay about on the job. There's work to be done. You need to finish up the gift list while I get ready for my midnight ride.
Aye, Mr. C. Right away, sir. I gotta work extra diligent like now so's I can get to ride along with Santa Claus. Doggy, check. Aw, ain't he cuter than a bug's ear? Ducky, check. Kinda reminds me of Aunt Mabel's Thanksgiving dinner. Not nearly enough stuffing. Penguin? Looks like I got me a misfit toy. This is what we elves call an occupational hazard. You are hankering to be numero uno on Santa's naughty list, aren't you? This here is one finely crafted airplane. Yes, sir. With my attention to detail, Santa's sure to pick me as this year's ride-along elf helper. Usually it's the tree that gets trimmed, not the elf. Ding, ding, ding. I'll ground that penguin for sure. Whoa! I say, whoa! Uh-oh. In your face, penguin. My abashed apologies, sir.
Smedley, what have I told you about playing with the toys? They're for the good boys and girls. Now, please, get back to work.
If that little penguin thinks he's got the best of this elf, he's barking up the wrong chimney. So, he wants to get in this bag, does he? Well, the only sure way to stop a penguin is chemistry. If I whip me up here some super sticky glue, I'll trap him like a fly in molasses. Tree sap, icky goo, pus and stuff. Chewing gum. Nitroglycerin. Ooh.
Smedley, I want to thank you for all your hard work this Christmas, but you look so tired. Take the rest of the night off. Ho, 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 ho.
But I...
Ho, 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 ho.
Huh? Wait, Santa, wait! Make sure you give that Chilly nothing but cold for Christmas. Whoa! You hear me? Nothing but cold, hard cold.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
It's the new, improved, not recently sued Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000. So hot, it can cook breakfast in bed. Breakfast not included. Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000, not to be used by the sick, elderly, pregnant, bipedal, etc., 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 etc.
Do you look
look good in floral print shirts and harem pants? Sure, we all do. So why not warm yourself on the most beautiful beaches in the world? Visit these tropical islands. You can hang ten or dive for pearls. The local government won't let you keep anything you find. But it's just good, clean fun to hold your breath till your lungs almost burst and then get the bends from coming up too fast. The islands are a perfect place to return to your primal self. Explore. Stuff your belly, then sit back and let the UV rays saturate your brain. Get that golden brown tan you've always wanted. You'll be looking good and living life the tropical way. Still not hot enough? Tired of the same old meat substitute? Here's a tip. All you need to make this into a succulent meal is one ingredient.
Finally, I can entertain some chums with a proper dinner party.
And that secret ingredient is...
Peculiar little character.
And Eric finally uncovers the plot to sink Bowen Island. Diane, the madman behind all of this is...
That boy's more aggravating than a bad case of shingles.
And this is how you hula! A wiki, 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 wiki.
Huh? Such a polite little fella. Hold on just an ice-picking minute. Looks like Christmas is coming early this year. Oh, ain't he as cute as a bug's ear? I'll just take him to his home and let him rest up.
And now our afternoon movie, Frigid Winter.
Frigid winter? That got a 5 ice cube rating.
Harry, it's cold.
Sakes alive. They just don't make them winter pictures like they used to. Huh? Now this here's the flake that broke the snowman's back. This berg ain't big enough for the both of us, Penguin. What's he waving for? That really shaves my eyes. Y'all catch my drift?
Topical and tropical, info-dancing White House pages.
Tonight, we reveal the answer to one of life's greatest mysteries. Are we alone in the universe? Do UFOs exist? The world wants to know. Professor Smith, do UFOs exist?
As a gentleman, this shouldn't bother me. That's the problem with penguin meat. It runs right through you. It's almost time for the lotto drawing.
And tonight's South Pole Lotto is worth $40 billion. You could buy a lot of fun in the sun with that money. But this will be your only announcement. You snooze, you lose. 14, 22, 64, 93, 56, 71, and the final number is...
The vacation getaway of a lifetime.
Only one thing a grown dog can do at a time like this.